Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells Sameera Wall Fan. This is a 400mm wall fan. The variant is white. This comes with elegant looks, high air delivery, attractive color combinations. It has 2 years of guarantee and thermal overload protected motors as well. The components I mentioned, this package contains one fan motor, one mounting case, one mounting accessories kit, one blade, one guard set, one guard ring and one guarantee card. You will have to assemble them once you take them out of the box. So let me just show you what's in the box first. And there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. We have a packet here. This packet has a lot of accessories and a document as well. Yeah, this is the operating instructions for the Havells oscillating type wall fan. This will tell you how to install or mount this fan to a wall. And let's see, there are also mounting accessories over here, basically a wall bracket and a couple of screws and putting material. There you go, these are important stuff. And this is the blade for the fan. You can notice this is a transparent plastic blade. This is the guard set for the fan. As you will notice, this is the guard set. This is the top, this is the bottom, and this guard ring will go around it like so. And finally you have the base. This is the base. It comes with 3 speed settings over here. The knob shows you, and has quite a bit of a swivel as well. Let me just show you how much swivel it has. It's pretty tight. Actually, yeah, it's pretty tight. So this part will go on top of this. You will have to lock it in with a couple of screws, which I don't have right now. And this will not come forward because this is ultimately a wall fan. It has to be mounted on a wall like this. Imagine this is the wall surface, and it has to be mounted like so. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Havells Sameera Wall Fan. Thank you for watching.